Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very quick and easy stir fry beef with bell pepper. How to make such a delicious recipe that I'm going to share with you. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, quick and easy stir fry beef with bell pepper. And without wasting any time, let's get started. The ingredients I'm going to use: beef loin, these are tenderloin steak fillet, 2 pound, and I'm going to use 1 pound. So I'll wash it, then I'll cut into thin slices. Then we're going to marinate with these spices. All the spices you can adjust according to your taste. Salt 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri mirt, black pepper, half teaspoon each, 1 green chili, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon ginger, and olive oil, 1 diced tomato, and 1 small onion cut into thin long slices, half cup spinach. These are fresh bell pepper, and these are from my garden. These are green bell pepper, and then I have another kind. These are orange, and these are chilies. The plant is full. These chilies, jalapeno chilies. 1 green and 1 orange bell pepper, and 2 tablespoons homemade dahi. The first step will be cutting up the steak into thin slices, and then we're going to marinate. Steak is washed with cold water, pat it dry. We're going to cut into thin slices just like this, very thin. The thinner, the better, because when we're going to cook these, they're going to cook fast and they will taste really good. So I'll finish up cutting the both steaks. Thin slices. So I'll cut the same way. This is perfect thin slices. This is a homemade dahi. It's a 2 tablespoons, and we're going to add all the spices: salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri mirt, and black pepper. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, now we're going to add the beef. Mix it well. So this is going to be about marination. So once it's nicely combined, if you like to marinate for a longer period of time, that's always good. The time we're going to prepare tadka, that will be a good. So let's go on gas and start preparing our delicious stir fry beef with bell pepper. Get a karahi or wok, start your burner, add olive oil, 1 tablespoon. As the oil start to heat up, we're going to add ginger, garlic, and green chili. Mix it. Cook for 1 minute. Now we're going to add marinated beef. Mix it well. All the spices are added into our meat. So keep it moving and keep cooking. If you haven't tried this way, please try it and you're going to like it. When you cook ginger, garlic, green chili along with the meat, it tastes really well. we're going to add onions, green bell pepper, tomatoes, and spinach at the end. And we're going to keep them fresh. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking for exactly 12 minutes. I'll open the lid. Turn off the pan. Mix it well. If you see that it releases all the oil and it's fully cooked. The first 2 minutes I cook with the open lid and then I cover with the lid for 10 minutes. And it's nicely cooked. One time after 5 minutes I mix it. So it's nicely cooked. And now we're going to bring tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add onions. All these vegetables we're going to keep them fresh. So we're going to mix them well. Once onions are nicely combined, now we're going to add bell pepper. Mix it well, and at the same time we're going to add spinach. So mix it well. I'm still cooking on a high flame. And we're going to give them like 1 minute. So keep it moving and keep cooking. The beef is nicely stir-fried and it's nicely cooked. All these vegetables, onions, they're going to stay fresh and they're going to taste really well. Cooking for 1 minute. This is it. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving plate ready and we're going to dish out. Very delicious. Let me share with you. Serve with the rice flour. This is perfect. And now we're going to add stir-fry beef with bell pepper. This is a super tasty and super yum recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.